The guy, he's fine. He's the Jetman. Yeah, the Jetman. He's my friend. He's a friend of mine. Yeah. I'm gonna call him. Let me see where he's coming because I know he's flying right now, but I don't know where he's exactly. Okay, let me call him. Alright. Hello, Mr. Jetman. How are you?
I'm very good.
Why are you coming? You coming to Spain right now? You in the airplane?
Yes, I'm flying, but I'm not in the airplane.
Are you not in the airplane?
No, I'm using my jet wings. Are you calling me with Webtail Mobile?
Yes, that's the company that I use. You're using Webtail Mobile too, yeah?
Yes, I use Webtail Mobile too. It's a worldwide service on all networks. It's free to join and easy to use with your own phone number. You can use it even in the water. Let me call the lifeguard.
Are you in the water? Oh, I'm sorry.